It's my turn to take the dishes up to the judges to taste. Hopefully they'll find some good things in my dish, hopefully.
Looks good. It looks really, really good. The sauce is good. Tastes great. It's got some real depth of flavour. That's a good sauce, a really, really good sauce.
Love the sauce. It's got great flavour. It's zippy, it's zingy, it's gutsy. I love the colour of it. It shows there's some depth there. Well done.
I have a guilty secret I can tell you, and not these guys, but I love cold roast pudding. Love cold roast pudding. For me, that's delicious. I think the flavours work beautifully. It's got that gula melaka flavour, that really sweet, fudgy palm sugar flavour. My mouth is zinging. I have to say it's possibly the ugliest dessert we've seen on the show ever. Congratulations, you have excelled at this challenge. Well done, I'm very happy.
I've really surprised myself this time. Went in there with this gloom face, and in the end I had a grin on my face because it wasn't as bad as I actually thought it was.
Poe, Chris, Julia, Julie and Justine. This is it, the judges' verdict. The winner will be given a pivotal advantage in tomorrow's knockout challenge. If your meal was the least impressive, then you'll be saying goodbye to all of us and to the MasterChef title tonight.
It's time for us now to reveal our decision. If I call your name, please step forward. Justine. Poe. Congratulations. You two have cooked the best meals of the day. Well done.
I was a bit taken back and almost a bit shocked. I was a bit speechless to know that I did an okay job with Asian cooking.
Of course, there can only be one winner, and that winner will receive a power that is pivotal to tomorrow's challenge. And it could possibly help you avoid elimination.
I'll die if it's not me because I would have just flushed this advantage down the toilet.
The winner of the Invention test today is Poe.
Well done, Poe. Well done, Poe. Good job.
I think my mum's going to be so happy for me. I keep thinking back to how lucky I am to be here. I'm absolutely thrilled.
Poe, that dessert was exquisite. It was poetry in a bowl. We've seen some fantastic food from you, so well done. Great dishes, great execution, great use of your power. Another step nearer.
Thank you.
Poe, congratulations. Fantastic dessert. You know, for me, that was the killer dish of the day. There's no question.
Poe, Justine, well done. You can rejoin the line. Chris, Julia, and Julie, can you take a step forward? You three are our bottom three, and one of you is about to leave. Chris, why should you stay?
I think I've displayed an unfaltering direction from the minute I started. I've consistently been in the top three pretty much the entire competition. I think that should display to you that I'm taking it very, very seriously.
Julia, why do you want to stay in this competition?
I want to stay because I haven't shown you what I can do yet. I haven't had a chance to show you my style and my cooking and how good I can be, basically.
Julie, do you think you should be staying?
I've really evolved from the time I started here. I haven't stuck sort of steadfastly to my old ideas. I've grown with new ideas, many, many new ideas, and I just really want the opportunity to keep showing you that I can keep doing that.
One of you is about to go home. Chris, I'm going to put you out of your misery. You're safe for another day.
Thank you. I've only just scraped through. The other two have just screwed up a bit more than me. So yeah, skin of my teeth, this one.
Julie, one of you has to go home tonight.
I'm thinking that it's probably my last few minutes in the competition.
So here I am again in the bottom two, with my heart hammering and my hands shaking. I can feel adrenaline in my fingers. This time, it's surely got to be my turn to go.
Julia, I'm afraid it's you.
It's pretty heartbreaking hearing that I've been eliminated. You know, it's, I've only just got back into the competition, so it was like, this was my time, and I didn't get to, you know, show them what I could do.
Julia, I'm sure you want to know why it's you that's going home tonight. And the simple reason was that you didn't carry that Malaysian theme as well as you could have. The flavours weren't robust enough, they weren't honest enough, they weren't true enough.
It is amazing to have got this far and to be in the top 5. I've been able to do a whole lot of things that I've never thought I'd be able to do. Being able to walk into restaurant kitchens and do service, and that's been amazing. I've been able to talk to chefs that are just like my idols.
I scored plate 2, 9 out of 10.
My proudest moment during MasterChef is probably beating Pete Evans, because that was never meant to happen, and I did it.
9 out of 10. Julia, when we first saw you, we saw a natural cook with a great palate, poor plating skills, and a lack of knowledge of technique. And what we've seen since you've come back is someone who now understands how to make a beautiful modern dish, how to combine flavours in a way that surprises and excites George and Gary and makes us want to know more about what you're going to cook next.
Thanks.
Julia, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. It's really sad walking out of MasterChef kitchen for the last time. Thanks, guys. Thank you.